In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on and enable the Windows Defender account protection notifications on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for Windows Security. Best result should come back with Windows Security. Go ahead and open that up, and then select Virus and Threat Protection on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath Virus and Threat Protection Settings and select Manage Settings here. And then if you scroll down again, underneath Notifications at the bottom of this list, select Change Notification Settings. And then if you go down underneath Account Protection Notifications, click inside that oval to toggle that on. And that's all you have to do. So again, get Account Protection Notifications, make sure that is turned on there. And that is just about it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.